Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your website on Squarespace in 2026. So if you already have a site and want to change text, images, or layout, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, log into Squarespace and select the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Site to open the live editor. Now click on any text section you want to change. You can simply type directly to update headlines, paragraphs, or descriptions. Next, click on any image and choose Replace. You can upload your own image or select one from your library. Now you can drag and rearrange sections. This helps you change the layout of your page without needing any coding. Next, go to the Pages menu. Here you can add new pages, delete old ones, or change your navigation menu. Now adjust your site style. You can change fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Finally, click Save or Publish to apply your changes. Your updates will now appear live on your website instantly. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Squarespace website. Keep updating your content regularly to keep your site fresh and professional. Hey everyone, welcome back.